Hey folks, it's Simon here. Welcome to your Tao Daily for Monday the 17th of March 2025. S&P had a big bounce on Friday, as you probably saw. It was up over 2%. The Nasdaq was up over 2.5%, and that bounce has continued today with the S&P chalking up another gain of 0.77%. Now, everyone that I speak to pretty much is expecting this rally to fizzle out very soon. It's going to be a short-lived rally. It's going to be a great selling opportunity. Trump and Besant want to engineer a recession to try and drive bond yields lower. The US Treasury has got approximately $10 trillion worth of debt to refinance over the next year. And if they can refinance that at 3.5% rates instead of 4.5%, that's obviously good for the budget. And maybe a recession is the only way they can get bond yields down. All right, so I get that story. And look, I'm sympathetic to it. But when everyone is expecting something to happen, sometimes the market will throw a spanner in the works and do something that not everyone is expecting. Now, the market here, see this blue box I've drawn here, this blue rectangular box. This is a support resistance level. We've closed right in that level. If we close above that soon, we'll end up with what I call an oops pattern, where a breakdown gets sold, people will short the breakdown, then when price closes back above the breakdown level, we get some short covering. Also known as an algo flush or a Wyckoff Spring. These can be powerful counter-trend moves. A couple of other observations I'll share with you. If we look at some of the leading stocks and sectors in the market, things like tech, tech here bottomed on Tuesday, ahead of the indices. If we look at semiconductors, semiconductors bottomed on, well, Tuesday. Nice V-shaped recovery underway there. What about something like the Magnificent Seven? The Mag 7 as a group, they bottomed on Monday. All right, haven't got the same V-shaped recovery, but all of these major players bottomed before the indices. So that's a clue that maybe this bounce has got a little bit more to go. I'm not suggesting we're rallying straight to new all-time highs, but this rally may not fizzle out after a day. In terms of positioning, look, I've been playing both sides of the market. Snap, I came out of some puts there on Friday, made an 80% gain. Silver miners, I closed out of that one today for 172% gain. I'm long EWU. I'm up about 50% on that so far. And look, I've got some put credit spreads and things like Meta and Broadcom, which are moving in the right direction. Opened a new position today in JP Morgan, moving in the right direction. And so month to date, I'm up about 4%. Now, if you would like some insight in how to navigate volatile, tricky markets like this, come along to a free webinar we're hosting this Thursday. It's called Long-Term Wealth Building Through Short-Term Trading. So head over to towertrading.com/wealth, hit the register now button, save your spot for free, and I look forward to seeing you on Thursday. I'll catch you then. Thank you.